Here's a concise study guide for Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS Study Guide. Overview. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is a fully managed Kubernetes container orchestration service in Azure. It simplifies deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications using Kubernetes, while Azure handles critical tasks like health monitoring and maintenance. Architecture. Cluster consists of control plane, managed by Azure, and node pools, user-managed VMs. Control plane includes API server, scheduler, controller manager, ECT. Managed by Azure, no need for patching or upgrades. Node pools runs the workloads pods, can be Linux or Windows. Supports scaling and auto upgrades. Key components. Pods, smallest deployable unit, can host one or more containers. Deployments, manage stateless applications, define desired state. Services, expose pods internally, cluster IP, or externally, load balancer, ingress. Config maps and secrets, store configuration and sensitive data. Ingress controller, manages HTTP/S routing for external access. Networking, Azure CNI, pods get IP addresses from Azure VNet. Kubernetes, lightweight networking with NAT IPs for pods. Service mesh, optional for advanced traffic management, e.g., Istio, Linkerd. Scaling and monitoring. Cluster autoscaler, dynamically adjusts node count based on demand. Horizontal pod autoscaler, HPA scales pods based on CPU/memory or custom metrics. Monitoring, Azure Monitor and Container Insight for metrics, logs, and alerts. Security, RBAC, role-based access control for cluster resources. AAD integration, integrate with Azure Active Directory for user authentication. Network policies, control traffic between pods. Secrets encryption, stores sensitive data securely in ECT or Azure Key Vault. Deployment HTTP, supports Helm charts, YAML manifests, and GitOps via Flux or Argo CD. Can integrate with Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions for CI/CD pipelines.